Hello, a very good morning to everyone. Dear students, in the last class we have already started our exercise 1.3 and we discussed the different property of integers about under multiplication. Under multiplication we discussed commutative property of on integers, commutative property of integer under multiplication, closure property, distributive property and associative property. Now question number 2, verify the following. Verify the following. So first, so what is meaning verify? Verify means here we have to prove that left hand side equal to right hand side, because it is equal sign given, so it is right hand side, it is left hand side. So look at, first we will take LHS. LHS, left hand side, what is minus 21 multiply 8 minus 4 plus minus 6. So solid here minus 21. Okay, now can I write? It is minus 4 and what I told, always dear, if you write any number and minus sign, it means it is negative, it is positive. So they are in multiplication, they are in multiply. Okay, so we will write positive multiply negative. In multiplication, one positive number and one negative number, always we will multiply them and put the sign negative. Same as it is, positive into negative, answer is negative. Now minus 21 into, now it is, they are, here we are not multiply, here we are adding them. Okay, so look at, because adding or not, so it means whenever same sign in adding or subtraction the integer, if the same sign, we will add them. 4 plus 6 10 and put the sign in greater number. Now again dear, we have to multiply it. Minus negative multiply negative. How to multiply two integers? 21 into 10, 210, and negative into negative, positive. It is our left hand side. Now dear, we will find RHS. RHS, this one. So it is given minus 21 multiply minus 4 and close bracket plus minus 21 multiply it minus 6 and this. Okay dear. Now negative multiply negative, answer is always positive, so it is 84 plus 20 negative into negative, again positive, 126, so it is dear again 210. So we will find left hand side equal to RHS. So we verified both are equal. And do you know dear, which property we are using here? It is distributive property. Distributive or not? Look at, suppose A is minus 21 is A into minus 4. Minus 4 is B and plus minus 6 is C. Look at this one or not? And how to open? A into, how to open it? A into B plus A into C. You can write, you can check it. A into B. A is how much? Minus 21. Minus 21. B is minus 4. Minus 4. Plus A and C. So we are using here distributive property. Okay. Now dear, note down it. It is your answer. Next question dear. Now dear, question number 3. For any integer A, it means A is given an integer. Everyone know what is integer? 0, all positive and negative number, include 0. So it is our integer or not? So if we will multiply by any integer by A, look at, in place of A is 2. So 2 into minus 1. So what is come? Positive into negative, negative. So minus of 2. Understand? If we will write 3 into minus 1, so it means what is in place of A is 2, so minus of A. Then if place of A is 3, so it means write 3 as it is, A is as it is and minus sign. Same as it is, we will multiply minus 2, multiply minus 1. Again, look at here. So here we observe that here, so always minus 2 into minus 2, you will say, sir, positive. But you are telling us in the last example, what is multiply and it's minus, yes? So what are multiplying here? Minus 2 and it's a minus sign. Negative into negative, positive. Okay, positive or not? So always if we multiply minus 1 by any integer, so minus of this integer, we will write minus a into a is always minus of what is minus of a. So you will write, it is your answer. It is just an example. So minus 1 into a, so always minus of what number we are writing. It is a. Understand here? Next is determine the integer whose product with minus 1. So we have to find product minus 22 multiply by minus 1. Negative into negative in multiplication always positive. 22 into 1, 22. It is your answer. Next is 0 multiply minus 1. And do you remember? Always a into 0 is always 0 or 0 into. If we multiply any number by 0, answer is 0. It is your answer is 0. Okay, dear. So note down it here now. Now we start next question. Now, dear, question number 4. Starting from minus 1 multiply by 5 equal to, write the various product solving some pattern. To so we have to show that minus 1 in, everyone know, negative into negative in multiplication, 1 into 1, 1, and if both are same sign always positive. Everyone know it is 1. But by showing a sum pattern, we have to show that. Look at how much we will write. Negative into positive, always in multiplication, 1 into 5, 5. And negative into positive, negative. Next is here, write the various product. Okay, we will write using to show that. Now after 1, because minus 1 into, and now it is decreasing. So what is 4? So minus 1 into 4, dear, what is? It is 4 and minus. And what you can write? Look at, can you write minus 4 also? This number plus 1. Yes. If different sign in addition and subtraction, 5 minus 1, 4, and put sign greater. It is or not? Next is minus 1 into 3, dear. What is? It is minus 3, and it we will write this number. What is the answer of the previous? In minus 4. So minus 4 plus 1. Same as it is. Minus 1 into 2. It is minus 2. So what is? Minus 5, minus 4. Now minus 3 plus 1. Next is minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. Now minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 2. Same as it is. Minus 1. After 1, it is 0. So it is everyone 0. So how to write? It is minus 1 and plus. Every time we are adding 1. Now is minus 1 into after 0. What number? Minus 1. It is 1. So how to write? We are writing every time we are adding 1. 1, 1, 1. So here is now 0 plus 1. So it is our answer. So it is pattern. Okay. It is come minus 5 plus 1, minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, minus. It is our answer. Okay, dear. So it means it is become like a pattern. Okay, dear. So note down it, dear. Now next question. Now, dear, question number 5, and it is very important question, dear. Definitely come this question in exam every year. Okay, dear. It is very important. So look at, find the product. We have to find the product using suitable property. Using the property, suitable property, we have to find product. Don't direct multiply. Okay, we will use property, and everyone know 2 or 3 property of multiplication. First is commutative. What is commutative property? A into B equal to B into A. This one, and second is associative property. Associative property. What is associative? Commutative used for 2 number and associative for 3 number. Whether we will multiply 3 number, either we multiply first last 2 number then first number, or A into B into first we multiply 2 number then third. And third and very important, distributive property. Distributive property. Everyone know what is A into B plus C. In distributive property, multiplication and addition both are used. So A into B plus A into C. It is or not? A multiply B and now plus A into C. So look at it. So first we have to identify which one property. Yes, A into B. A into B and A and C. But here it is C and A. So what we will write? It is A into B. Can we write minus 48 into 26? Can we write or not? Yes, why not, dear? Which property? It is A into B. First we write B. B into A. So if we will write always A into B equal to B into. Always we will use. So we use commutative property. Now dear, suppose only minus 48 value is A and it is B plus A is how much? Minus 48. Here is also minus A and it is 36 minus 30. So it is C. So which one property? So distributive property. Understand? Distributive or not? So we will write, and it is always equal to, how to find? A into B plus A into C. This one or not? So you will write here. So what we can take common from here, from this one and this one? What is same things? Common means A into B plus A into C. We can write, take common A. What is remain? B. Here is C. So what is common? Minus 48. And what is remain? Now 26, and we will write like this one. Minus 26, now plus minus 36, and write always property A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Only dear, you have to identify the property. No need to write this one, okay? You have to identify. Okay, it is your answer. So look at A into B plus A into C. What we can write? A is common, B plus C. Same as it is. We use distributive property. Okay, so you can write now. Write name also distributive property. Okay. Next. So now you will solve it. Minus 48. Now it is meaning multiply. Multiply or not? A into. So look at here. Minus 48 multiplied. Okay, minus 48 into, now 26 positive into negative minus 6. Okay dear, minus 48 into, it is minus 12, and negative multiply negative, only we solve it dear. A into B plus A into C. What is equal? A is outside into B plus C. So multiply negative negative positive. 12 into 8 96. 9 is carry. 12 into 4 48. 48 plus 9 57. It is your answer. Understand here? Note down it. Now we will do second part. Okay. Always remember commutative and distributive property. Very important here. Yeah. Okay dear. Yes, one more thing. Do you find my mistake is there? 26 minus 36 is 10. It is come answer dear 480. Understand dear? Now note down it. Okay dear. Now next part. Now dear, 8 multiply 53 into minus 125. So how to multiply it? So using which one property we can use? We can use any property. Associative also. We will multiply. Whether we will multiply last two number then multiply by first number, or we can multiply by first two number then last number. Okay. So we will write using associative property, and you will write always property A into B into C. Whether you multiply last two number or you can multiply A into B into C. So you can write so 8 into 53 first last two number, then you will multiply minus 125. So multiply it. Otherwise dear, you can solve easily like this one also. How to write? First you can use commutative property if you want to use. Yes, because 8 into 5 40, here is become 0. So you can use write commutative property also. Commutative property also you can use. What is commutative? A into B equal to B into A. It means A into B. What we can write? We can write 53 into 8 into minus 125. Now look at here. 53 into positive into negative. So it is come 1000, I think. Yes, it is 1000. So multiply. Now it is become easier. Okay, because 8 into this one is become 1000. So negative into positive, negative. So 5300. Because we did not use Y associative property, because 8 into 53 we will write 8 into 5, 8 into 3, 44, 24, 8 into 5, 40, 40 plus 2, 40 plus 2, 42, and now it is very lengthy process to multiply. So that's why we multiply by 8 first. Okay, note down it dear now. Next part. Next is here, which one part you want to do? Yes, C part. C part do yourself. Okay, now D part here, look at minus 41 into 102. Multiply it. Okay dear. Distributive property is very useful property to multiply the two largest number. How to? Look at here. Tell me here, because 41 into 102, it is very difficult to multiply. Can you write here 41 into, and always try to write the number in the, always a number, try to always dear, try to write a number in sum of two number in which one number has unit digit is 0. Okay, because what we can write? Can we write 100 plus 2? Yes. Now which one property? A into B plus C. So you will write using distributive property. Understand here? So A into B, B plus C. So what is A into B plus A into C? So you can write now dear, minus A into B, minus 41 into 100. Why we are writing the sum of the a number in sum of two number whose one number unit digit is 0? Because if you multiply by unit digit is 0, it's very simple to multiply. Okay, plus minus 41 into 2. Now dear, minus negative into positive, negative, negative into positive, negative. It is 82. Now 148. Understand dear? It is easy or not? So by using distributive property. Okay dear. Next, again dear, which one? E part. E part again. 625 multiply minus 35 plus minus 625 into what is 65. So again we will use A into B, A into B, A into C. But dear, here is positive, here is negative. Here is a negative. We can write 625 into minus 35. And can you write it is 625 and both are negative into positive, always negative, same as it is. Can you change the sign? Yes. Again positive into negative, again answer is negative. Okay dear, so you will write distributive property. Again dear, what is distributive property? It is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Now it is given A into B plus A into C. How to write? Take A is common. What is equal? Say common is 625. Multiply by it B plus C minus 35 plus minus 65 dear. So 625 dear into minus 35, positive into negative, negative. Now 625 into how much? It is minus 100. Positive into negative, again negative. Okay dear. Otherwise dear, you can do like this one also. No need to write this one. So what is common? Common is 6 to 5 multiply. What is remain? Minus 35. Look at now, very important. We take here now positive and look at, we take here positive sign common, but here is a negative. So what is remain here? Negative. And what is 65 also. Okay, same as it is. By any method you can do. If you don't want to write this one, no need to write. You can take 6 to 5 is common. What is remain? Minus 35. Now plus you take is positive, but here negative also. So we will write negative and 65. Okay dear. Note down it. Rest of the parts you have to do yourself. Okay, of the fifth question. Now dear, question number 6. A certain freezing process required that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius. It means now temperature of the room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. The rate of 5 degree every hour. It means it is given the room temperature be lowered. Lowered means decreasing. The room temperature is decreasing from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius. Every hour, how much is decreasing? 5. So after 1 hour, how much it is? 35. After 2 hours, again 5. It is 30 degree. So same as it is, we have to find what will be the temperature after 10 hours. Okay. So after 1 hour, it is 35. After 2 hours, it is 30. So like this one, we will find. The initial means dear, the starting temperature of room. Now what is the temperature of room is 40 degrees Celsius. Temperature be lowered. Lowered means decreasing. And what I told you in integer, whenever come decreasing, below, down, always you will take negative, minus 5 degrees Celsius. In 1 hour, every hour it is decreasing, minus 5. In 10 hour, how much decreasing? 10 multiply minus 5. Yes. It's very simple. Cost of one book 5 rupees. Cost of 2 pen 2 into 5. Same as it is. Temperature will be lowered in 10 hours. Positive into negative, minus negative. Now room temperature after 10 hours. So what is total temperature? Now it is 40 degrees Celsius plus minus 50 degrees. So what is 40? Positive into negative, minus negative. So it is minus 10 degrees Celsius. So what is the temperature after 10 hours? Minus 10 degrees Celsius. Understand dear? I hope you understand very well all the questions. and please note down in your notebook, and if you have any doubt, ask to me. Okay, thank you everyone, have a good day.